Do you earn a good salary but still feel broke every month? You're not alone. Most people make the same mistakes, and today we'll uncover the reasons. Welcome to Pocket Wisdom, where we make personal finance simple. If you want to save more, spend smarter, and finally grow your wealth, hit that subscribe button. Lifestyle inflation is when people increase spending as their salary rises. Bought a new car, bigger apartment, expensive gadgets. This keeps you broke no matter how much you earn. Do you track where your money goes? Without a budget, money leaks everywhere. Eating out, shopping online, subscriptions. Use the 50/30/20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings/investments. Lack of financial education keeps people in debt and poor money habits. Learn the basics: interest, credit cards, investments. Knowledge is key to wealth. Unexpected expenses hit everyone. Medical bills, car repairs, emergencies. Without an emergency fund, even a high salary isn't enough. Save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Bad money habits like impulse buying, payday loans, ignoring bills trap people financially. Replace them with small steps. Track spending, automate savings, avoid unnecessary debt. Earning a good salary isn't enough. Smart spending, budgeting, financial education, emergency funds, and good habits make people truly wealthy. Start today, don't wait for tomorrow. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pocket wisdom tips.
Promise you you'll catch me.